Item: SCP-1097. Object Class: Euclid. Special Containment Procedures: SCP-1097 is to be fully enclosed within a reinforced, pressurized stainless steel container at all times. SCP-1097 is to be kept at a minimum of 2,200 kPa. SCP-1097 is to be contained in a Type D concrete bunker, modified to include retractable seals on air vents capable of withstanding prolonged exposure to liquids with a pH level between 11.3 and 13.5. In the event of a containment breach, this bunker is to be completely sealed until further notice by the Security Director. SCP-1097 is to be contained at Site-17. The containment bunker is to be located at least 50 meters away from all other staff workspaces and SCP-designated objects. Samples of SCP-1097 are to be extracted via remote-controlled robotic equipment, and all maintenance of containment equipment is to be performed by approved laboratories robotics. No staff or test subjects are allowed to be within 10 meters of SCP-1097 unless permission is granted by the Research Director. A total volume of SCP-1097 exceeding 2.5 L may not be removed from containment at any given time without authorization from the Research Director. Description: SCP-1097 is 72.3 L of a dark brown, viscous fluid composed of a mixture of water, sodium hydroxide, and liquefied human remains. In an automated, laboratory's environment, SCP-1097 exhibits physical characteristics consistent with fluids composed of a similar mixture of materials. When a human approaches within approximately 5 meters of any portion of SCP-1097 greater than 2.8 L, its anomalous properties manifest. SCP-1097 will first alter its shape to mimic the physical form of that person. SCP-1097 achieves this by manipulating its density so as to achieve a semi-solid state. SCP-1097 can also completely solidify portions of itself for a limited duration, to a maximum observed hardness of 152 HV30. During this process, SCP-1097 maintains its dark brown, viscous appearance, albeit in a shape analogous to the subject. The appearance of SCP-1097 in motion is similar to that of a ferromagnetic fluid being manipulated by an electromagnetic field. In addition to simulating a subject's physical form, SCP-1097 will also imitate a subject's mental characteristics and behavioral traits to the best of its ability. While SCP-1097's ability to communicate is limited, it will display physical mannerisms and attitudes similar to those previously observed in the subject. Tests using EEG monitors have shown that SCP-1097 will exhibit brain activity in the exact same manner as its subject. Current research suggests that SCP-1097 does not possess any true sapience of its own. Any actions or characteristics appearing as independent thought are merely a complex reaction catalyzed by the proximity of a sapient being. When more than one person enters SCP-1097's area of effect, its appearance and reactions become far more unpredictable. In a multiple subject scenario, SCP-1097 has been documented to assume an array of physical aspects, in some cases deviating radically from the humanoid form. SCP-1097 will also demonstrate substantial variance in behavioral patterns. SCP-1097 has been documented on some of these occasions to be hostile and extremely aggressive. When agitated, SCP-1097 will use its ability to harden itself, as well as its innate caustic properties, to attack and seriously injure staff.